Crazy bird. Looks like we're about 20 feet up than normal as far as water goes, and high tide's not for another 4 hours for us. It might reach that little fireplace. Time to time I get some small, tiny little rollers. Probably gonna be the first and last for me to see in my yard. Waves are getting pretty big against that bank. Probably not doing it much justice. If that thing gets covered, we're all screwed. That little bush up there. Alright, it's now Sunday. Haven't had power since Thursday at 1 o'clock. Lost cell service at about, I don't know, 9:30 on Thursday, so I haven't had cell service either. This is the damage, but there ain't much. Lucked out. And that tree right there could have been laying on the garage. Go back here. Nothing much back here. Seems to look alright. Couple pine trees snapped off back here. Not too awful bad. Blew that little guy over. Alright. Fence is down over there. That ain't too hot. There's a couple trees down along the road. Maybe a little bit better view of the pine tree got snapped down. One got uprooted over there. Just a branch. As far as my yard goes, it seems like it's just branches more than anything. I'm not going to walk into the woods over here because the ground is just so wet. Probably don't want any trees to fall on me. So this guy came down. I know that's the top. I wonder what tree. Oh, top of that one probably. Back of the house seems alright. Basement's good. Some dog poop. Dogs are fine. The birdhouse has survived. That is a couple more trees down back there. I don't go over there much anyway. Just to fish off the bank, which I don't do very often, so. That looks like the top of a tree. I don't know what, oh, right there. That guy right there, there's the top of him. This is where the water got to, that line, that perfect line of branches and stuff. So that came up pretty good. Usually, if you can see where the green matted stuff is, that's usually as high as it's ever gotten as far as me living here. So that's a good 25-30 feet total from the high tide line to where it came up in the yard. Oh, let's see, just more branches. Tree came down over here, uprooted. There's definitely more trees I've seen from upstairs, but you wouldn't be able to see it on the GoPro, and I'm not walking through the thick part of the woods because there's a bunch of them that are leaning, and just where the ground's so wet, ain't gonna take much for them to fall over. So this guy uprooted, which I'm glad he uprooted that way. The whole time the wind was blowing against the camera, so it was all blowing towards the marsh, which was awesome. And the building's all right, and that's pretty much a loop. There is a tree leaning on it, not a whole tree, just the top part of it. However, it's a very small tree, so the building's, little side building's okay. Ain't nothing in there anyway, but so that's all the damage that the hurricane did to my little nook here. So I hope everybody else is at least safe, and if you did receive damages, they were minimal.